Hi guys. First of all, before I start this session 3, I just want to say a huge thank you to those of you who've messaged me to say you found these sessions useful so far. I know it's still really early days, but I really appreciate the feedback, and if they're working and you find it a useful way to learn, I shall continue to make them. Okay, so little retrieval task to start then. All of these questions are relevant to things that you did in the last session. So please can you pause this video and write the answers to the questions down if you can. So if you can get yourself a pen and paper, pause the video and write answers to the questions, that would be great. Great, okay guys, so let's go through the answers. Number 1, hopefully you came up with general, specific thesis. If you've written those 3 words, give yourself a big tick and think how wonderful you are. So basically we have a sentence which is quite general that engages with the task. We build on that sentence with something more specific, and then the thesis one is the most important in a sense because it's when we try and go bigger and to think about what the big messages are we can take from the play. And number 2, how many sentences should an introduction to exam task be? 3, a general, a specific thesis. Complete the line. Macbeth does murder sleep. What does nihilism mean? Well, nihilism is a really complex idea, but we'll take it as a basis of it, that it means a rejection that life has any value, a rejection of all religious, moral principles, that life has become valueless. And then number 5, what internal consequences does Macbeth experience? So what I mean by that is his emotions. Hopefully you've written down words along the lines of guilt. That's the first consequence of Macbeth, isn't it? He's just overwhelmed by guilt. Secondly, fear. He seems to be completely paranoid, and that kind of seems to catalyse his tyranny in a sense. And then lastly, his nihilism. He's completely lost that life has any value or some sort of purpose. Okay, so hopefully you've got 5 out of 5. If you didn't, there's no problem. As I always say to you, make flashcards of questions so that you can use them again in the future. I apologise for this beeping on my computer of messages. I need to work out how to silence them. Okay, so next thing then is a quotation to try and memorise. And I thought I'd go bigger this time. I've done 2 quite straightforward lines, and I know you were awesome at them. So I thought we'd go for quite a big line. And as I said in the previous session, I love this metaphor. I know it's quite dark, but I like all the kind of brutal bits of Macbeth. So this happens, Macbeth says this quite late in the play, before he goes to revisit the witches at the beginning of Act 4, and he's talking about his own sense of being midway through a river of blood. But the metaphor is capturing his sense that he's gone so far into evil, he's lost so much of who he used to be, that to return, to try and re-find himself, is too difficult. And obviously the word tedious seems to imply he doesn't really want to. So he sets himself, he's just rather than trying to go back to the bank he's come from, he's going to continue across the river of whatever his destiny may be. So please can you pause the video for 60 seconds and repeat said line to yourself as many times as you can, please. Excellent. So now we have the line and I've only taken 1 word away. So could you please say the missing word aloud? Well done. Upping the challenge now, same line, several words removed. Please can you try to say the word aloud, putting in the missing words as you go. It's a tough line, so just try your best. Excellent. And lastly, can you try to say the whole line aloud from memory, which you may or may not be able to do because it is a big old line. Okay, if you found that hard, why not rewind the video and do the activity again to try and start memorising a more tricky line. As I said in the previous video, if you think realistically you're not going to memorise all that, you can refer to it as the rivers of blood metaphor, generically, rather than memorising every line. Great, okay, so let's go on to what the main thing we're going to do today then, which is our exam response. So in the last session, we looked at this exam paper, which I had created, and I talked you through the different elements of it. And I said to you that the most important part is this part. So this is the actual question. We have an extract extract from the text printed on the right-hand side here, and we have to refer to that in our answer, but actually it's not our starting point. The most important thing we're going to write about are the consequences faced by individuals. So yesterday, or in the last session when I did it, we wrote our GST introduction. So we looked at the question, how does Shakespeare present ideas about consequences for individuals, and we created a GST intro. In the play Macbeth, we see the protagonist commit the ultimate act of evil by the standards of the age. He kills the king, and he faces increasingly terrible consequences. Immediately after killing the king, Macbeth feels terrible guilt and regrets his actions. As the play progresses, he is consumed by fear and evil. It seems that Shakespeare presented Macbeth this way in order to warn the audience about the permanent and inescapable consequences of evil acts. So each sentence gets progressively a little bit more sophisticated, but it's only an introduction. So we're just kind of setting out our platform, some big ideas which you're going to prove in the rest of the response. So again, as I said in the last session, we prove what we've said there through textual analysis. We take lines from the play or things that happen in the play and we analyse them. So now, what I'd like to do is to write the next bit of the essay for you, in a sense. And I suggest you write along as we go. And at the end, I hopefully hand over to you to have a go at writing a paragraph, okay? So the first thing we need to do is, my brain works pretty logically, and I like to start at the beginning of the play. So I always start an essay about any literary text by thinking about what happens at the beginning, what are the big ideas introduced at the beginning, and how does that change. Now this exam question is about consequences, so obviously that comes later in the play. But Shakespeare does a lot of the setting up of ideas which will be relevant to consequences at the beginning. So I always start, that yellow one, let's turn it off. I always start my second, that doesn't need to be turned off. See, here we go now. I always start my second paragraph with words at the beginning, in order to kind of establish what is set up by the writer before I go into some other ideas. So I say Shakespeare introduces Macbeth in heroic terms. Yeah, so fairly straightforward, you all know that. Act 1, Scene 2, the captain comes to King Duncan and tells us about how Macbeth is so awesome, his sword smoked with bloody execution. He absolutely destroyed the enemy and saved the king. So he's overwhelmingly heroic. And helps the audience to understand the power of his character. Okay? So obviously, all of that starts to change, doesn't it? Once not only the witch's predictions, but also the fact that King Duncan makes him plain of corridor, which of course means that one of those predictions comes true, starts this sort of transformation, starts him considering killing the king, and ultimately that's what brings the consequences. So at the beginning, Shakespeare introduces Macbeth in heroic terms and helps the audience to understand the power of his character. However, his meeting with the witches, followed by being made plain of corridor, appears to catalyse ambition within him. And rather than stay loyal to the king, he chooses to brutally I don't know why I put two T's there, to brutally murder him in order to take the throne. Okay, so I'm just setting up some ideas about the play. At the beginning, Shakespeare introduces Macbeth in heroic terms and helps the audience to understand the power of his character. However, his meeting with the witches, followed by being made plain of order, appears to catalyse ambition within him, and rather than stay loyal to the king, he chooses to brutally murder him in order to take the throne. So I'm not saying anything really deep yet about consequences, but I'm establishing some key principles of the play. The key thing I need to do now is to explain why. I very much said what happens and what we see of his character, and I need to explain why Shakespeare may have done this. And I think the key thing here is that by setting Macbeth up as such an impressive character, it becomes all the more shocking when he descends into such a brutal tyrant later. Perhaps suggesting that even the best of men can be corrupted by ambition. And if we can try to explain why we think Shakespeare might have done things as well as what he did, we're always putting ourselves in line to get better marks. So again, as I've said to you in the last session, we use tentative phrasing, so we can say, it seems that Shakespeare chose to present Macbeth in such impressive terms in order to make it all the more shocking when he rejects loyalty and ruthlessly. Am I already used ruthlessly? No. Pursues power. Perhaps suggesting that even the best of men can be corrupted by ambition. Okay, so I've got a kind of bit of an overview of how Shakespeare sets up ideas. I don't want this to go on too long because I'm not going to really score high marks until I get into analysing textual details. And in an exam, your time is against you, so you need to get onto the big things quickly. So I'm going to start writing about a quotation which does show consequences. And I'm going to move on to introduce the fact that after he kills the king, Macbeth suffers immediate consequences, i.e. the immediate internal consequences of guilt. I have a very specific structure that I use with my students in order to build in a textual detail, because sometimes students find that a bit difficult. Actually, how do we phrase it to draw in a quotation? So my approach is always to start with the character's name, who says the line we're going to use. I'm going to use the line, Macbeth does murder sleep. So we start obviously with Macbeth's name, so we say Macbeth. I then always tell my classes to have a when statement, to establish when the line is said. Now, this is a line that I'm going to write about is said shortly after the murder of Duncan. So Macbeth, shortly after murdering Duncan. The next step of the sentence is to kind of say who he says it to. And really I would say our line is he's telling the audience. So, tells the audience So now I'm ready to put in my line for the play. Because it's the actual words for the play, I must start with quotation marks. Macbeth does murder sleep. So we've got the name of the character, when he says it, who he says it to. Macbeth, shortly after murdering Duncan, tells the audience Macbeth does murder sleep. We can then obviously explain that and why that line is there and kind of contextualise it, just again in a fairly general way. So we can say, which leads the audience to infer that he feels a sense of guilt and regret. Now, infer just means work out. So it leads us to work out that he's feeling guilty and regretful. And when we first write about the whole textual detail, we don't want to go into too much detail about the symbolism or the big ideas. We just want to give a sense of what we can work out about the character's state of mind from said textual detail. We can then say more. So we can then start to zoom in on specific words which allow us that insight. This video is going to time out because I can only film 15-minute videos, so I'm going to end this one and continue on part 2. So a bit of a pain, I know, but hopefully it'll be relatively seamless when you go on to the next video.